at Home. My name is Alicia. If you are new here, thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a summer haul for my children. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning to my channel and supporting me and all of the love. I really appreciate it. I wanted to go ahead and bring in some items that I like to get seasonally for my children. And here recently, I went to Walmart and I picked up some amazing deals on clearance that kind of just popped up on me. I was not expecting to get these items, and so I'm super excited to share them with you today. Okay, so you guys, just jumping right into it. If you are new here, I am a mother of 4. I have a 20-year-old. I am married. I have a 5 and 6-year-old, and I also have a 2-year-old. Now, our younger children here at home, we do homeschool them. They are involved in plenty of activities, and this summer we are going to be very active. So I wanted to make sure that we had lots of outfits to get out and about and do everything that their little hearts desires to do. And I wanted to share that with you guys today. Well, here recently I went ahead and went to Walmart, and I found some amazing deals, as I stated to you all before. My girls are girly girls, and they love to wear colorful clothes, dresses, sandals, bows. They will literally tell you that they're ready to get a pedicure. That's how girly girl they are. And so when I found these dresses on clearance for literally $3 and $4, I had to get one in every shade. So let me share them with you today. So my girls are pretty much the same size. They are 5 and 6. I got some of the dresses in a 6, 6X and some in a 7, 8. I did also pick up some of the dresses in a similar color or the same color for them because they also like to be twinsy sometimes. This is the first cute little dress that I picked up. It's a cute little lime green dress, and when I tell you, I just love them. Some people may say, you know what, but it's a cheap material. Here is a tip for you. So you guys, a way to make these dresses last is to use Wool-Lite and cold water. Make sure you're washing them with similar colors. So for instance, if they got some stains on here, I would immediately spray my triple action shout on the stain and just rub it in lightly. Then I would use a little OxiClean, just a little, and some Wool-Lite on cold water when I wash these. As you can see, you guys, look, $3. You cannot beat that. I was so shocked, I literally went nuts in there. I got one dress in every color. Now, these are not all of the dresses that I got because my girls went ahead and immediately took 2 each upstairs. So I don't know, those dresses have already been worn or already in their closet hung up. They were excited when they saw everything that they got. So this is a cute little tie-dye dress. And then we have the lime green. I got 2 of these cute little puffer yellow dresses. Isn't that adorable? Look how cute. These little yellow dresses were $4 on clearance. So really quickly, I'm going to show you all of the rest of the dresses that I got. Here's a very cute, and these are maxi dresses. They go all the way down. The other cute thing that I absolutely love about them, girl, if you are a mother, you know how important pockets are. And these have pockets. Ah, I'm so in love. They have pockets. Like they can keep their little lip glosses and everything in here. So cute. Here's another tie-dye maxi dress. $3. I got another yellow for my other daughter. So next up, guys, I went ahead and picked up a couple of different t-shirts and shorts. And I'm going to share with you the shorts that I got. I love for my daughters to wear dresses, but I'm kind of old-fashioned. And I definitely make them wear shorts under their dresses. And that's just the type of mom I am. And I saw these cute little stretchy shorts that they can also wear with the t-shirts as well. I got purple. And these dresses were $4.98. We got pink. And then we got blue. And like I said, my girls are very much so twinsies. So I had to go ahead and get the same colors for my other daughter as well, for both of them. I also picked up to go with their t-shirts some other various shorts as well. These cute little blue ones, and what I like about these is they have an elastic waist, but they're also adjustable. Super cute with a little fold in them. And these were $9.98, also by Wonder Nation. I I got this cute little pair here with the little cuts in them. The distressed look, super cute. Also adjustable. These were $12.98. I absolutely love these. The little strawberry distressed ones. Look how cute. These shorts are $12.98 as well. And I got another pair of these for both daughters, one for each. I got a stone wash color, which I really like these. And it has the gray elastic band. These were $9.98. And then I got another one of these. Sorry for the background, you guys. Like I said, I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3. And girl, I'm doing my best. Okay guys, so that's it for the shorts. Now let's move on to these adorable, adorable shirts. I couldn't believe that they had all of these cute shirts. I went nuts. Now I didn't get them all, but I definitely got a lot of them. So let's look at them. So these shirts are also by Wonder Nation. I guess that's Walmart's brand. They were $4.98 each, and I absolutely adore them. Here's a cute little crop top one. Super cute. This one, it says Top Speed Motor Club. Who doesn't love Hello Kitty? Adorable. And here's the last one. So cute. And this one just reminds me of kind of like their Toca Boca. I don't know if you have any little girls, but my girls absolutely adore Toca Boca. And these little characters just kind of, it just reminds me of that type of game. So these shirts were $4. I'm sorry, this one was $5.98. So they range between $4.98 and $5.98. So I picked them up a couple of those. My girls are also in gymnastics, and so I found some very cute gymnastic outfits, and they are by Justice. I picked this one up for my oldest daughter. Her favorite color is purple. It's cute. It comes with a little scrunchie. Here's how the back looks. And for this set, it was $17 for this piece here with the hair bow. And then for the shorts, they were $13. How cute. Adore this one. Look at all of the colors. Like, she is ready for the Olympics. Do you hear me? And this set also comes with a bow, and it is $18 for this one. And these are the shorts that go with it. You can see how they match. The shorts were $13. I got them in a size small. And then for my youngest daughter, her favorite color is pink. And they didn't have a lot with pink in it, so I went ahead and got this one because it does have a little pink. It is so cute. Has the hair bow. And this set was $17. The shorts were $13. Right? Yeah, the shorts were $13. And then I got them because they like to match sometimes. I went ahead and got her one like that one as well. The last two things that I got were socks. You can never have enough socks. And I just love the different characters that they have on here. Also by Wonder Nation. You see they have rainbows, unicorns, and gymnastic shoes. Just play shoes. You know, just shoes that they can get. You can tear them up very easily. It's okay. They can play in them. You won't get upset. they were 13 bucks. Who can, you know, come on, $13. Again, I have one that likes purple and one that likes pink. Okay, you guys, so as you heard me say earlier, I have a spunky Rum Bunches full of energy 2-year-old little boy, and I had to pick him up a few things, but they didn't have a lot in his size. It looked like someone had come through there and got everything in his size, but he did pick out a few items. Look how adorable. And each of these pieces were $3.98. So yes, you heard me right. They were $3.98 for each of these pieces. This material is thick and it's not cheap. These are the Garanimal. Come on, you heard of Garanimal. I love that you can put any piece with any item and you're going to match. That is what Garanimal is all about, right? So we picked him up a 4T, and some items we picked up a 3T, and I thought that was super cute. We also have here this cute little shirt, and he picked that out. Like I said, it's Garanimal, so you can match it with anything. Do you see how cute that is? Welcome to the rodeo. He picked out everything, you guys. All of this stuff is what he chose. So I'm excited that he knows what he likes. Go Gators! He absolutely loves dinosaurs and alligators and big trucks. Anything with big trucks, alligators, and dinosaurs, he's gonna pick it out. So I was excited that he was able to find some things that he actually liked. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for staying tuned for this haul for my summer kid-friendly, toddler-friendly summer haul. And I'm so excited that we were able to pick up these replenishing items for the season for our children. And I hope that you saw some things that you like. I hope that you were able to see that there are some budget-friendly, kid-friendly items available at Walmart. And I'm super excited that they are colorful because I'm a colorful person. I just love color. And when I saw all of these items, I just almost went nuts. Anyway, I want to say we spent, I can't say how much we spent because I bought some other items. But you can do the math yourself. $3 items here, $4 items there. I think the most expensive item that we picked up were the underwear and the tennis shoes, and they were 13 bucks a piece. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay blessed.